Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new to this channel, then myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to talk about top 3 project management tools that you absolutely need in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting a project management journey, this tool will help you to streamline your project and boost your productivity 10 times. So, let's get started. So, our first tool is Trello. Trello is perfect for visual thinker who loves to organize tasks in form of card, list, or board. It's super intuitive and great for both small and large teams. Plus, it's integrated with tons of other apps like Slack and Google Drive. Trust me, once you start using Trello, you will wonder how you manage without it. Our next tool is Asana. Asana is powerhouse when it's come to project management. It helps you to organize, plan, and track your team's work in one shared space. With features like task dependency, project timeline, and workload management, Asana ensures nothing falls through cracks. Plus, it's perfect for those who love structure and detail. And our last tool is Mondaycom. This tool is highly versatile and customizable. Whether you are managing a project, tracking a marketing campaign, or handling customer relationship, Mondaycom adapts to your need. With its vibrant interface and automation feature, you will save time and keep your team aligned. So, with a lot of features and functionality, the question comes, which tool is right for you? Well, if you love simplicity and visual task management, Trello is your go-to. If you need detailed planning and team coordination, Asana is a way to go. And if you want a highly customizable platform that can do it all, Mondaycom is the best bet. Each tool has its own strength, so choose wisely which fits your stream dynamic and requirement of your project. So there we have it, the top 3 project management tools that you need in 2024. Let me know in comment section below which one is your favorite one. Thanks for watching this video and keep pushing forward. And don't worry, if you have any question or query, please use the comment section and we would love to help you out. Remember, we are here to help you at every stage of your project management journey. So, until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.